Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this new nail drill that I got from a brand called Pelcas. They did send this to me, so this video is sponsored today, and I hope I'm saying their name right. I'll have everything linked in the description box if anyone is interested, but this is how it came. It came with this shrink wrap seal, and I'm just cutting that open. I'm using this really cute little box cutter that I got off of AliExpress. It looks like a little teddy bear. If anyone is interested in that, I'll also have that linked in the description box. So first of all, this drill is packaged really well. This box is super cute and it's really great quality too. And you guys know I absolutely love cute packaging. So that's already a 5 out of 5 stars for me. So this is what the drill looks like when you open it up. Here it is, and this is wireless, you guys, which is so amazing. I absolutely love that. So here it is, and it has a open and lock setting right there. So you just twist it to open it and you twist it to lock it, and that's where you charge it at the bottom. And so I'm gonna take out the little foam thing that it was in, and everything should be under here. So you can see everything it comes with. You get some sanding bits, and let's see. So it looks like I have medium, fine, and coarse, or fine, medium, and coarse. And it also came with these drill bits as well. And I'm just putting these back in order. It got messed up, I guess, probably during shipping. But this is everything it comes with. And then here is the, these are some more drill bits. Comes with a lot of stuff. And then here is the charger. So this is a charger. And I was just opening it up to see how long it is. I think it's about 6 feet. So great length. And you just plug it up right there. And that is everything it comes with, you guys. So definitely a really great deal. And here's the little user manual. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna flip through it really quickly so you guys can see. And then it looks like it has all the information about all the bits that it comes with and what it's recommended for. So here I am cutting it on, and it has 2 settings, so you can rotate it left or you can push that button and rotate it right. And then it has 5 different speeds, and then you just hold it down to cut it off. And so now I'm gonna just take out this I guess it's like a little placeholder for the drill bit that they had in there, and I'm going to just put a random one in, and I'm gonna lock it into place, and I'm gonna cut it back on. And I'm trying to show you guys how you can change the direction of the way it rotates. I don't know if you guys can like really see it or see the difference on camera, but yeah, you just push that top button to switch the direction that it rotates. And then, like I said, there are 5 different speeds. So I really like it. It's really light, and it's also very quiet as well. So yeah, and here is where you plug it up to charge it. And so that's what it looks like when it's charging. And so I am actually gonna remove my 3D nail art with this drill bit here. And this drill bit that I'm using, I actually got it off of AliExpress. If I can find the link, I will put it in the description box, but I cannot guarantee it, you guys. I got it off of AliExpress years ago, but I'll try my best to find it. So here is my little messed up voodoo doll that I tried to create. It looks like a really disturbed gingerbread man, but it was supposed to be a voodoo doll. But yeah, so these nails are old. It's time for them to be redone. And since I got this drill bit, I was like, you know what, it'll be fun and satisfying to just remove my 3D nail art. So that is what I'm doing, and so far so good. I absolutely love this drill. Like I said, it is super quiet and it's really light, and I love the color. It's just really cute. I love it so much. Okay guys, so I completely removed my voodoo doll and I actually turned off the drill, but then I cut it back on again because I was just curious to see if it would save my setting, and it did. So now I'm gonna actually use one of the bits that the drill actually came with, and I'm just gonna remove the gel polish from my nail just to test it out and, you know, really see how well it works. So here I am, I'm getting ready to cut it back on, and it did save my setting, so that's a plus. So here I am just kind of drilling off the gel polish, and it works really well, you guys. Like, it definitely comes off really smooth. The drill itself is amazing. Like I said, it's super quiet, and I love how lightweight it is, and I absolutely love the fact that it's wireless. Like, I am obsessed with this drill, okay? And I didn't completely remove the gel polish from my nail because these are press-on nails. I'm getting ready to just soak these off and redo my nails. Like I said, I just wanted to test everything out, you know, see how well it works. And you guys, this is highly recommended. It is a 5 out of 5 stars for me. I absolutely love it. I'll have everything linked down in the description box for anyone that is interested. Again, this is from the brand called Pelcas. I hope I'm saying that right. I really do. It's Pelcas, Pelcas, I believe. I'm pretty sure. But anyway, you guys, like I said, love this drill. I'm obsessed. It's my new favorite, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.